Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A18 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And I hope that you can see this special type of a green line called golden spiral. I've applied it before I've started recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So the spiral should disappear. All we have to do is to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to tap on Restore Defaults. Then let's tap on Restore Defaults again, and as you can see, nothing happened, right? We are still on the settings. However, if we will go back to the camera, we cannot see this golden spiral, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.